If excess humidity is causing mold, bad odors, or discomfort in your home, a good dehumidifier can make a big difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best dehumidifiers of 2026, covering everything from large basements to bedrooms and smart home solutions. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's begin. Number 1. 5,000 square foot 95 pint dehumidifier. Best high-capacity option. This powerful compressor dehumidifier is built for large spaces, covering up to 5,000 square feet and removing up to 95 pints of moisture per day. It includes adjustable humidity control, a 24-hour timer, child lock, and continuous drainage with the included hose. It's designed for long-term use in basements and high-humidity environments. Pros: very high moisture removal capacity, large coverage area, continuous drain option, child lock safety feature. Cons: large and heavy, higher energy usage. Best for large homes and basements where maximum moisture control is required. Number 2. Waykar 80-pin Energy Star Dehumidifier. Best energy efficient choice. The Waykar 80-pin dehumidifier is Energy Star certified and suitable for spaces up to 5,000 square feet. It includes a 1.14-gallon water tank and a drain hose. This model offers a good balance of power and energy efficiency. It runs quietly and automatically maintains your desired humidity level. Pros: Energy Star certified, quiet operation, large room coverage, reliable humidity control. Cons: water tank fills quickly, not ideal for extreme moisture levels. A great option for users who want strong performance with lower electricity costs. Number 3. 52-pint dehumidifier for basement. Best mid-range performance. This 52-pint dehumidifier covers up to 4,500 square feet and features Energy Star certification, auto defrost, humidity control, and a 24-hour timer, all in a compact design. Pros: energy efficient, auto defrost support, suitable for multiple room types, stable daily performance. Cons: lower capacity than 80 to 95 pint models, basic control panel. Ideal for homeowners looking for a reliable mid-range dehumidifier. Number 4. 32-pint dehumidifier, 3,000 square feet, best compact option. Designed for areas up to 3,000 square feet, this 32-pint dehumidifier is suitable for bedrooms, bathrooms, RVs, and smaller basements. It includes intelligent humidity control, dry clothes mode, auto defrost, and a 24-hour timer, all in a compact design. Pros: compact and lightweight, dry clothes mode, easy to move, quiet operation. Cons: limited capacity, not suitable for large basements. Best for small to medium spaces where portability matters. Number 5. Midea Cube 20-pint Smart Dehumidifier. Best smart dehumidifier. The Midea Cube 20-pint dehumidifier covers up to 1,500 square feet and features smart app control, Alexa compatibility, and Energy Star certification. Its cube-style design saves space, and smart controls allow remote humidity management from your phone. Pros: smart app and Alexa control, compact cube design, energy efficient, easy storage. Cons: smaller coverage area, lower moisture removal rate. The best choice for smart homes and smaller rooms. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best dehumidifiers of 2026. All the product links are available in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and details. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.